just like ours. Take a picture, send it to Randy.
Doing video. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel.
God, with that freaking rock in there, I didn't think he would dig down like that. It's usually pretty good traction. I wonder what they weigh, these pumps.
Yeah, that's a big pump.
Yeah.
It says what size it is on the side where the boom is. It says if it's a 32 or 42 or.
Yeah.
Once he's extended, you can tell what it is, but I can't tell right now.
Well, this one doesn't even have. Well, he does have one set of pushers, doesn't he? See, get that on the frame, boys.
I'm gonna go on the other side of this thing.
Is that wall a part of the house?
Right?
30 feet, 20 feet easy. Don't stand by that chain.
Well, there it is, folks. Got that big behemoth out of there. Yeah, that's crazy.